Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And for those of you that maybe it's your first time here or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. So I just got done recording a video of the rainbow pastel crystal pieces, and I had mentioned that I had another item. Well, as soon as I was done with that video, my doorbell rings and the second item showed up. So let's get into it. But during that video, I did tell you guys that I was gonna be swapping out tabbies. So my tabby of the day is this app crafted tabby 26. This bag is insane. I love her, and I'm obsessed with her. I did put Dino here. I am using this little pouch as my wired, I have wired AirPods in here, so that's what I'm keeping in there. These are the 3 tags and the Rexy that this bag came with, and it's all black on black. So I pretty much have my usual essentials. I have a wallet, which is the Coach New York zip card case. I have a double-faceted mirror from Chanel. This is the one in the pink case. I do have my little handy-dandy kiss-like little PVC pouch with some trinkets in it. And I have my LV pouch as back here in this pocket. I was carrying my cell phone. It does fit in there. I mean, I wiggle it in, but it goes in there, pull it out, no problem. So this is what she looks like. She is black on black and she is gorgeous. Yeah, so let's put her away. And I had mentioned to you guys that I got a second item. For those of you that thought it might be a pair of shoes, it is not. I got another handbag. Which one do you all think I got? She came in this box. It's completely sealed. She literally just arrived about 3 hours ago on my doorstep. But before we get into that, I'm gonna show you this one item from Dior. So all you guys are familiar with the Dior loyalty program for beauty items, right? And like fragrance and skincare. I was platinum tier last year. And once I got to a certain point, you know, I got my Christmas present, which if you'll watch my Christmas video, it was BS present. It was crap. For a platinum, that was crap. So you can't like go any higher than that. There's no more gifts after that. So I do have another Dior account where earlier this year, well, actually that's my daughter's account. So earlier this year, she became silver. So the silver present earlier this year or gift was the puzzle. And I think I told you guys I'm obsessed with puzzles. So Patrick and I put it together and I have it framed and it's gorgeous. If I have a picture of it, I'll insert it here. But then I went on my other account and I became silver. And for the silver, I got this. This just came in the mail. I had no idea what it was going to be. I thought it was going to be another puzzle. And I would have been perfectly happy if I would have gotten like the pencils, like the pencil case with the little pencils inside. Because I love stationery. And I wouldn't mind another Dior little notebook. But they sent me this. What? So you get your Dior card, right? And you get this little, kind of like the little pamphlet thingy. And this card was included. Sorry about the glare. It's just like a card stock. And it's got some information in the back with the QR code. So basically it's called the Dior Circus of Dreams. And basically what it says is to scan this QR code and you get to see something about the circus. I haven't done it yet. I'll let you know later what it is, but I thought that was kind of cool because the car, you know, it's kind of like the whole holiday motif that Dior came up with for this year. I got a set of 3 brushes, and they are Dior brushes. They say Dior in the front, all 3 of them. And this right here is a pouch, like a case, because it's actually a hard case, to put the brushes in. And it's got a little zipper. You got your Dior right there, unzips around, and that is where you put your brushes. How cool is this? This, I gotta tell you, I've gotten like all the gifts for like the past year and a half, all last year and a little bit of the year before that. This is by far like one of the best gifts. So we have kind of like a little bit of an angle brush. We have this brush, which would be foundation, or it could be concealer. And then you have an eyeshadow brush. This one, which is the foundation brush, and it's number 11. This is a blush brush. You see that there? 16. You'll see it there. 21. Eyeshadow brush. You get these 3 brushes with this case. I mean, how cool is that? Look. Right? I mean, you can put other brushes there for traveling. Look at this. Yeah. Love it. My sunglasses just fell off of my face. So that is what Dior sent me for becoming silver. Now, let's get into this. So for those of you that haven't watched my previous video, I revealed one of 2 bags that I got from the pastel rainbow collection. Crystal collection, I should say. And then I said that I got a second handbag, and I had laid out all the choices. So for those of you that know which one I already have, that watched the other video, what do you think this is? Let's get into it. This is not safe because I should be cutting away from my face, and I have like the blade towards my face. Like, oh girl, that is not safe. So, I don't think I have the candy cane, but we'll see. These are so cute, by the way. You can reuse them because it has 2 from. So, what I got, I had to do it, guys. I had to do it, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is first time seeing this with you guys. Look at this. What is going on with this bag? So, if you guys have been watching my channel, you would know that I did not get the Kiss Lock 16 in the crystal because, I don't know, I just couldn't make up my mind. I did get the big one in the crystals, and the big Kiss Locks are probably my favorite out of the 3 sizes that they have come out with so far. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys will know that I did get the 16 in the black currant. And I did get the 14 in the black, which is the only color I've seen it in, or that I know of. I knew that the large crystal was coming out in the candy. I also knew that the Hobo Hamptons was coming out. And I figured the Swinger, but I wasn't sure. As you all know, it did. So I wondered if it was gonna come out in the 16, because the other crystal did come out in the 16. So I was like, you know what? I don't have a crystal 16 kiss lock, so maybe if that one comes out, I'll just grab that one. And here she is. So in my previous video, I showed you the candy. Look at this. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Look at it. I don't think it's too much. I love it. I just love it. We do have this hard tag here. I show you guys in the other bag that this is removable. You can take this off. Don't cut it or anything crazy like that. Just loop it through, unloop it through here, and you can use this in any other bag if that's what you want to do. You got the double kiss lock tags that is upside down. Sorry. And you have your non-removable top handle, which I'm perfectly fine with. Here's all the stuffing inside, and we do have the this is the chain strap. If you look at the inside of the bag, you have this kind of honey brown leather interior. And so this is the thing about it. I was talking to you guys about this card, and that's kind of, because look at this. You see that interior color? Look at this. It goes so well with it. And this, you want to know if it fits? It does fit. There it is, empty. It goes straight in. I don't have to like angle it or anything. Well, maybe a little bit. But look at the color. Look at the color. It's like a perfect match. And that's, oh, what? Oh, stop it. Oh, I can't talk about it. It's a perfect match. Look at this. This little thing. Listen. Is this gonna bother me? No. I mean, at first, these things kind of just wanting to flip in. But listen, it's not that big of a deal. It's like, girl, you put your things in, you close this thing up, and there it is. Voila. Right? I mean, yeah, sometimes, you know, things get in the way. Even when we don't have a handle like this, things that just get in the way, and you have to like move things around and shake things around and, you know, just juggle things around, and voila, there you go. I honestly like this little handle. I really do. Like, I wear it up against my body, crossbody with the chain strap, and I just kind of push this in whichever way it gives. You know, I just like, this is against my body, like this is against my body, and it's hidden. Like, you can't even see it because it's like crossbody against your body. And if it's up, it's like under my hip, like it's under my rib cage, not under my hip, it's under like my rib cage. So like that doesn't bother me at all. I think it's really chic. I think the whole thing with this purse is this. Forget any crossbody strap, removable strap, whatever strap. This is what's so epic about this purse. This little strap, believe it or not, it's what these kiss locks kind of shape are meant to be. Just like, you know, my grandmother holding it in the crook of her arm, like I can see it. You know, she used to have this. I wish I would have kept them. I have some vintage ones, but they didn't belong to my family. So look at this. It's just, oh, she is so pretty. She is so pretty. Oh, even the canvas. I don't know if because of the piping here, but it smells like leather. Look at this pretty green. This pretty green, and how it has this ombre effect into yellow, and it's got this effect into like an orange. Like, guys, it's like an ombre effect. It just kind of like, flows like a translucent. Look at this. And there is a lot more work that goes into putting crystals together in the same color family, while at the same time having the ombre effect of going into another color. This is very time consuming. The construction on these bags is insane. I'm obsessed. And wow. Yeah, the chain came off, so let me shove that in there. And I'm gonna shove the price tag in there and try to close it. And there she is. Voila. And look at that. It's like accidentally the tags are on this side and the heart has slid on this side. So no matter which way I wear it, I'll have something. I personally think that this is part of the Coach brand, the tags, and people want to remove them because they don't like them or whatever, to each his own. But just know, like, this is like part of the bag. It's almost like it's just part of the bag. It's kind of like having a Lady Dior and removing the Dior letters off of here. It's part of the bag. But you do you, girl. Anyways, so what do you guys think about this? Have you guys grabbed any of these items? Let me know what you think as far as the crystal jacquard. Do you enjoy the like the silver crystals better, or what do you think about like this candy rainbow pastel ombre thing going on? I think it's beautiful. This is beautiful. I think years from now, if we look back, you know, when I look back sometime 10 years ago, and I see a bag, I'm like, ah, I was at the store, that bag was there, why didn't I grab it? I found myself doing that when I see like vintage pieces, or like not even vintage, but like 10 to 15 years ago. So anyways, that is what I wanted to show you guys. That this is pretty much what concludes the items that I got from this Rainbow Multicolor pastel candy collection. Yeah, I got the Tabby 26 and the suede, and I got the Kiss Lock 16. I was considering the sneakers, but I have a lot of Adidas, and yeah, I can't talk about it. So let me all know what you think about this collection in general. Is it like too much for you? Is it too like girly for you? More like something for like a little girl? Or do you think it's just girly in a good way? I just love the sparkles. It's just, this is a happy bag. This makes me happy. I look at this and I smile. This makes me absolutely happy. Look at this. It's pretty. It's so pretty. But I gotta be honest with you guys. If I would have had the 16 and the other crystal, I don't think I would have gotten this crystal, because I don't think I would have had 2 crystal bags as the girl that has 2 crystal bags and 4 Kiss Locks. Yeah. And 9 Fendi baguettes. Yeah, so back to reality, girl. So tell me what you'll think about this collection. Tell me what you think about these pieces. And thank you all so much for coming to my channel. Give me a hype, give me a like, share, comment. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any future upcoming videos. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.